Imagine starting your day with this, a latte that's a work of art. The secret is a simple floral syrup. Let's begin by crafting a latte that's as beautiful as it is delicious. The secret is a simple floral syrup. Just simmer sugar, water, and your choice of edible flowers. Let it steep into a fragrant syrup. To make floral syrup, combine equal parts sugar and water in a saucepan. Add a handful of edible flowers like violets or rose petals. Simmer gently until the sugar dissolves and the flowers infuse their color and aroma. Strain and let cool. Brew your favorite strong coffee. Add a few tablespoons of your floral syrup to a mug. Pour in the hot coffee, then top it off with steamed or frothed milk. The final touch, a sprinkle of petals or a single beautiful flower. It's a simple way to turn your daily ritual into a moment of luxury. Thank you for joining me on this floral latte journey. If you enjoyed this, check out our homemade pumpkin spice latte video next.